Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to join the Best Buy Affiliates program in 2023. So if you're looking to monetize your website or blog by promoting the Best Buy products and earning commissions, joining the Best Buy Affiliates program is an excellent opportunity. Best Buy is renowned a retailer offering a wide range of electronics, appliances, and tech products. Marketing or making it an attractive affiliate program for content creators and marketers. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the steps of joining the Best Buy Affiliates program in 2023. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. So let's begin by searching for the Best Buy Affiliates program. Go to this URL section and type Best Buy Affiliates program and hit the enter button. That will take you directly to this, and of course make sure to click on this first link, Best Buy Affiliates program. So here, of course, you'll have to choose a country, United States or Canada, and shopping in the US. International customers can shop on www.bestbuy.com and have ordered or shipped to any US address or US store. You can see more details about this if you want from this link here. And as you can see, you'll be able to read all of this if you want more information about that. So for us, as an example, I just choose United States as an example. And of course, you can even change the language from top. If you saw there is Spanish, English, and French, you can change it to whatever you want. And as you can see, why become a Best Buy affiliate? That because you will earn money every time you drive your visitors to bestbuy.com and they make a qualifying purchase. You earn commission. Partner with a trusted brand. Associate your site with the #1 consumer electronics retail in the world. And of course, joining is free and easy. Choose from a huge selection of free tools to help you create inspiring content. So simply, before we click on the sign up, you'll have to go and review the program requirements and policies. So before proceeding with your application process, take time to review the program requirements and policies and ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria, such as having functional websites or blog with relevant content and adhering to Best Buy terms and conditions. So as you can see, you'll find here, see Best Buy Affiliates program terms and conditions, and here you can see the frequently asked questions or the fact. So make sure to read all of this to see if you are eligible for it. As you can see, we have here a lot of things to read. So make sure to go and read this all. So you will not have any problem, and you may make sure that you will get accepted. And here you will find the most questions. You can see what are Best Buy commission rates, what's affiliates marketing, how do I sign up, and a lot of other questions that you may have, and you'll find them here. Of course, you can even use the search button if you want to. So if you're sure that you want to join this affiliates program, click on sign up. As simple as that. And once you click on it, once you familiarize yourself with the program requirements, when click on sign up button on the Best Buy Affiliates program website, click on it, of course, the sign up, and this will initiate the application process. So here you'll have to complete the application form. It may take from you just 5 minutes to 7 minutes, something like that. So fill out the application form provided by Best Buy, and you will be asked to provide information about your website and a lot of other stuff. So if you have an account, as an example, on Best Buy, you can click on login, and this will fill all this, your informations. You don't have to fill them manually, so this will prevent you from doing all this boring steps of filling your information, but other stuff you'll have to go and fill them. So if you don't have an account, as an example, you'll have to go and fill your full name, first and last name, email, and confirm your email again. So if you make a mistake, you'll find or you'll notice it, and you'll have to enter a username for yourself if you want to, password, and of course confirming the password. And then you'll have to fill the company information, starting by account display name, the company website, country, street address 1 and 2. Of course, the 2 is not necessarily, just optional. The city, state, and zip. Of course, if it's optional, you can simply copy and paste the same street address. And here you'll have to choose your country, phone number, choose the currency, time zone, and here you will have to choose the promotional information. So the business model, choose whatever business model you're doing, and the property type. So whatever you have, simply go and enter it there. And of course, here the most kind of important part, which is the agreement. So make sure to read all these agreements right here. So you'll be aware of everything and you will not have any problems with them in the future, as well as this program terms. So make sure to download them if you want to read them in the future or the changes or something like that. So just keep it with you. Maybe if you're feeling bored sometime, you will be able to read it. So by clicking on sign up, I confirm that I have read, understand, knowledge, and accept the foregoing terms, and I agree to be bound by them. So once you click on sign up, you agree on all of those things here, and that you agree that you read them and agree on them. So once you're done, of course, be sure to provide accurate and comprehensive details to enhance your chances of approval. And of course, make sure once you read everything, after completing like your application and re-agreeing on the program terms and conditions, review your application for accuracy. As example, maybe you made a mistake somewhere, so make sure to review it. And once you're satisfied, you can submit your application by clicking on the sign up button, and you may receive a confirmation email acknowledging the recipient or the receipt of your application. So then you'll have to go and wait for the application review. So the duration of application review can vary, ranging from a few business days to a couple of weeks. During this period, BizBuy affiliate teams will assess your application and evaluate it. If you have your website or blog, it will be evaluated. Of course, or blog aligns with their criteria or social media or something like that. And if your application is approved, you will receive an email notification and with the instructions of how to access your BizBuy Affiliates program account. So you'll simply have to follow the provided instructions to log in and gain access to the affiliate dashboard. And of course, within your affiliates dashboard, you'll find tools and resources to generate the affiliate links and promotional materials. And BizBuy typically provide banners, product feeds, and text link that you can incorporate with your website or blog content to promote their products. So with the access to your affiliates account and promotional materials, you can now start integrating BizBuy affiliate link into your content, write reviews, create products, guides, or feature specific products to showcase and recommend the BizBuy's offering. As a visitor, as an example, click on your affiliate link and make purchases, and you will earn commissions based on the program commission structure. So that's going to be basically it. Share your link. People that click on link and make a payment or make a purchase, you will get commission. As simple as that. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. By following the steps on joining the BizBuy Affiliates program in 2023, you can leverage the popularity of BizBuy products and earn commissions through your website or blog. Focus on creating available content, strategically promoting the BizBuy products, and continuously optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. Best of luck on your affiliate journey with BizBuy Affiliates program. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.